Teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have in the previous lecture we have done 5.8, 5.9. Okay, I had told you that one sum, that is sum number 5, I will do with you. The other sums were given as homework. So have you done the homework? Do you have any doubt in any of the sums? Yes, Safia, have you done the sums, beta?
Yes, teacher.
No doubts, right?
No, no doubt.
Okay, so that means only one sum I will do and then move to the next exercise. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are starting with the fifth sum, and why is this sum unique or why is it different is you can see that the x coefficient is same to the y coefficient, and you can see that the y coefficient of the first equation is same to the x coefficient of the second equation. Okay, am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes. So for this kind of a sum, we need to use a technique. Okay. We will have to add both the equations first and then subtract. So I consider this as my first equation, this as the second equation. And my first step will be adding equation 1 and 2. Okay. Now when I add, what do I get? Tell me. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Correct?
Yeah.
Tell me, after I add, what am I going to get? Am I going to get 5x plus 5y is equal to 15? Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we've added. I will consider this as equation 3 and I will write dividing equation 3 with 5. What do I get if I divide the equation 3 with 5? Will I get x plus y is equal to 3? Yes, Afia?
Teacher, I do not understand.
Did you understand the adding part?
Yeah.
Did you understand the dividing part? I have to divide the entire equation with 5. You can see 5 is common. If I divide 5x with 5, what will remain? Only x. If I divide 5y with 5, what will remain? Y. If I divide 15 with 5, what will remain?
You will
3.
get 3. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So I divided the entire equation with 5. So I've got x plus y is equal to 3. Clear? Yes?
Yes,
And
teacher.
I write this as equation 4. Okay. Now I'm going ahead. The second step is to subtract. Okay. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. Okay. Now from 2, so 2 has to be written first. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. And I have to subtract 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. And because I have to do subtraction, what am I going to do? I'm going to write the subtracting sign. Okay. So I write subtract subtract, and subtract. Correct?
Yes.
What do I get? 3 minus 2. What do I get? 1.
1, that is x.
Yeah, if I don't write 1 also is fine. I will write just x. Correct? Now, plus 2 minus 3. Plus 2 minus 3. What will I get?
Teacher, how is it minus 3?
Minus 1.
3. Plus minus sign will become minus, no? Can you see we are subtracting?
Then in the first one also it will become minus, no?
Yes, beta?
Because that was also plus. Because
See,
in the
see
first
here up what do we have? Plus. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and here also we have plus. So now this is 3 is plus 3 and 2 has become minus 2 because you take this sign there.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
Lamia?
okay.
Same way, now I have plus 2 and I'm going to take minus sign, so it will become minus 3. So plus 2 minus 3, what will I get? Can I say minus 1?
Minus y, yeah.
Yeah, so I get minus 1 y. So I write minus y. Okay, and equal to 11 minus 4. What is 11 minus 4?
Teacher, I have one more doubt.
Yeah,
In the first we had plus 3x plus 2x, so we did plus into minus, so minus 2x.
yes.
So it thing. Okay, sorry. No, I got it. I should.
Sign of the
I
greater
thought.
number.
Yeah. I thought it should come minus 1 next, but
Yes,
we
yes.
have the greater number plus.
Correct, correct. Sign of the greater number. Okay, now 11 minus 4, tell me beta.
7.
7? Yes?
Yeah, 7.
And now will it be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, because sign of the greater number is positive. Okay, now I take this as equation 5. Now look at equation 4 and equation 5. Is y already targeted?
Yeah.
Yes. So I have different signs. What am I supposed to do if I have different signs? Y is plus in equation 4 and y is minus in equation 5. That means I have different signs. If I have different signs, what do I do with the equations?
We have to add.
Add. So I'm going to write adding equation 4 and 5. Okay. So now I'm going to add. What do I get? X plus y is equal to 3. And the other equation is x minus y is equal to 7. Am I right? I'm supposed to add. So x plus x is going to become 2x. Do you agree? Plus y and minus y is going to get cancelled. And 3 plus 7 is going to be 10.
2x is equal to 10.
Yes. So can I say x is equal to 5?
Yeah.
And now what am I supposed to do? Substitute it in any equation to get y. Substituting in equation, which one? Say, the fifth one?
We can substitute in any equation.
Any equation. You tell me the equation. I'm okay.
First equation, any third equation or anything.
Okay. You tell me which equation?
Third equation.
Third equation. In equation 3. In equation 3, third equation, I'm going to write it down first. 5x plus 5y is equal to 15. Am I right?
Yeah.
15, because 5 into 5 I have to do. 5 multiplied by 5 Okay, plus 5y is equal to 15. So I get 25 plus 5y is equal to 15. So I get 5y is equal to 15 minus 25. So I get 5y is equal to minus 10. So I get y is equal to minus 2. Do you agree?
Yes.
So my answer is x is 5 and y is minus 2. Have you understood how to do this kind of a sum? If you have the coefficient of x equal as the coefficient of y of the second equation and coefficient of the y equal to the coefficient of the second equation, then you have to first add both the equations, subtract both the equations, and then you can substitute the value of whatever you have got in the other equation. Have I made myself very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Have you copied it down? Barira,
Yeah.
are you understanding?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Sharia, Sufyan,
Yes, ma'am.
why are all the cameras off? Everybody has an issue. Parents were saying we have no issue only in the house. Connectivity, no issue is there. How come you all have connectivity issues? Parents are denying it.
My camera was on, teacher. I just
Yeah, I go.
switched off for a
Safi,
minute.
Safi, this was not for you, beta. You were on. Okay. Now we are moving towards the word problems. Okay. Now in word problems, the scene is that first you need to make the equation and then solve the equation. Okay. Now the perimeter, let us do the solved example first and then we will go to the exercise so that we can have more number of problems so that we have, we are able to solve it properly. The perimeter of a rectangular garden is 20 meters. If the length is 4 meters more than the breadth, find the length and the breadth of the garden. Okay. Now the perimeter is given as 20. Okay. Length is 4 more than the breadth. When I say length is 4 more than the breadth, then what do I do? See, they have solved it in a different manner. You want me to solve it my manner? Easier way?
Yeah. Easier way.
Yeah. If the length is 4 more than breadth, that means breadth is less. Yes or no?
Breadth is less than the length.
Yeah. Length is 4 more. That means breadth is less. So I take breadth. I take breadth to be as x. Okay. What can I take length as? X plus 4. Actually, we can do it in two ways. One variable also and we can do it in two variables also. Chalo, theek hai. Let us do with one variable first.
So in
Breadth
exam,
is
if you
x.
ask a question like this, we have to do in one variable or two variables.
They will ask you in the exam. They will be very clear enough telling you that you will have to do it in one variable or two variables. They'll be specific in the exam. And if they are not specific, then what you can do is you can do it your way. They are going to give you correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for example, if I do breadth is x and length is x plus 4. Okay, what is perimeter of a rectangle? Do you know the formula? perimeter? 2 length plus breadth.
2L plus 2B.
Yes. We can write it like that also. 2L plus 2B is 2 length plus breadth. Perimeter is already given as 20. 20 is equal to 2. Now what is my length? My length is x plus 4. And what is my breadth? X.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what do you think I get? X plus 4 plus x. X plus 4 plus x. Can I say I am getting 2x
Plus 8.
plus 4?
Teacher, but you have to multiply that 2 with 4
I will
also.
do. I will do with 2. I have only solved this much part now.
Okay, okay.
X plus x is 2x plus 4. Now I'm going to multiply it with this 2 that is outside. Correct? So I'm getting 20 is equal to 4x plus 8. Am I right? 20 minus 8 is equal to 4x. Correct? 12 is equal to 4x. Can I keep x here? Take 4 on the other side. 12 divided by 4. What do I get? 3.
Yeah.
If I say 3 is x, that means what is x? Breadth. So I will say breadth is equal to x, which is equal to 3. Correct? Then what is length going to be? Tell me. X plus 4. 3 plus 4 is going to be 7.
Yeah.
You can see here, they have done the other way, but still they got the same answer. Length is 7 and breadth is 3. Breadth is 3, length is 7. Marina, have you understood beta what I have done?
No.
Not understanding beta? Okay. At least have you understood the first sentence of the word problem? The perimeter of a rectangular garden is 20 meters. Have you understood this much beta? Okay. Now what do they say? If the length is 4 more than the breadth. Okay, length is 4 more than the breadth. So what I did? Breadth is smaller, right? So I took breadth as x. Okay. So what is length? Length is 4 more than breadth. 4 more means I can write it as x plus 4.
Yeah.
Have you understood this much? Now breadth is x and my length is x plus 4. Correct? Okay. Now, do you know the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle?
Yeah.
What is the formula? 2 length plus breadth. Okay. Now what I do, in the place of length, I'm going to substitute the value x plus 4. So 2 in bracket length plus breadth. So in place of length, I wrote x plus 4. Okay. And in place of b, that is breadth, I had assumed it to be x. So I wrote x here. Okay. So what did I get? Perimeter is given as 20. So I wrote 20 in place of perimeter. So I wrote 20 is equal to 2. Then I put a bracket. And for L, the bracket was x plus 4. So I wrote x plus 4 plus x. Okay. Now I tried to open this bracket here inside. When I opened the bracket, I got x plus 4 plus x. Now 2 x's and not 4 is there. So what I did, x plus x became 2x plus 4. Okay. 2 is outside as it is. Okay. Now I am opening this bracket here. So what I did, I multiplied 2 with 2x, so I got 4x, and 2 with 4, I got 8. So now the equation has become 20 is equal to 4x plus 8. Yes. Now I took this 8 on the other side. It became minus. It became 12. Then I got 12 is equal to 4x. So I kept 4 on this side, x on this side, took 4 on the other side. So now it became x is equal to 3. And once I get x is equal to 3, yes.
How did you get 7?
Yeah, 7 I got because my length is x plus 4, no? See, what is my breadth? Breadth is equal to x,
I got it.
and x is equal to 3. Okay. Now what is my length? My length is equal to x plus 4. Okay. So x, that means
Yeah,
3 plus 4 is going to be 7. Got it? Yeah. Have you understood the sum, beta? Anybody has doubt in this particular sum?
No, ma'am.
Okay. This
No.
was by doing with one variable. I only took x. You can see in length also I took x, in breadth also I took x. Have you written this down? Can I do it with two variables?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. See, now I'm going to do with two variables. That means I will take one x and one y. So for example, if I took length as x, I took breadth as y. Can you see it here on the screen written already? Length of the garden, let it be x. Breadth of the garden, let it be y. Okay. Now what do we know? That x is, length is 4 more than the breadth. Correct? So x is equal to y plus 4. Do you understand this part? Everybody?
Teacher, I can't understand.
What did we say? Length is what? X.
Length is x.
Okay. What is breadth? Y.
Y.
Okay. Now what do we know about the length and the breadth relation? Length is equal to 4 more than breadth.
Yeah.
Okay. My breadth is y. 4 more than y is my x. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. This is how it becomes. X is equal to y plus 4. Now, do we know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? 2 length plus breadth is 20, correct? Now, length is x, breadth is y. So, 2x plus y is equal to 20, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher, but where is the 4?
Which 4, beta? This 4?
The 4, yeah.
This we are going to use later, not now.
Okay.
This we are going to use later. Now we are only coming to this part. 2 length plus breadth is 20. So that means 2 I take on the other side. X plus y is 10 upon 2. That is x plus y is equal to 10. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have got x is equal to y plus 4 and I have got x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, now how do I solve this? See, I have got x plus y is equal to 10 and I know that x is equal to y plus 4. Can you see this? Now what I do, in place of x, I'm going to write y plus 4 plus y is equal to 10. Do you agree?
Why did
Yes,
you put
ma'am.
one more y in the
Yeah,
place
yeah,
of
see,
x?
x plus y is 10. So in place of x, I have substituted the value of x. The value of x for me is y plus 4. So I'm writing y plus 4 here.
Okay.
Okay. Now y plus 4 plus y is going to be 2y plus 4. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2y is going to be 10 minus 4. So 2y is going to be 6. Y is going to be 3. Am I right?
Yes.
If y is 3, I know that x is 4 more. So x is going to be 7.
Yeah.
This is how you are going to do with double variable. So you are going to say length is going to be x, breadth is going to be y, x plus x is equal to y plus 4. Okay. And then you're going to say the perimeter formula is equal to 2 length plus breadth. So you're going to substitute length as x and breadth as y. So 2x plus y is equal to 20. You'll take 2 on the other side. You will get x plus y is equal to 10. Okay. And then you will substitute the value of x as y plus 4. And then you will solve. You'll get y. Once you get y, then you can substitute it in any equation and you will get the answer for x. Is it very clear till here, bacha? See, word problems are a little tricky, okay? Because you have to make the equation also yourself and you have to solve it also to get the answer. So it is very important that you understand what I speak. If you don't understand, you can ask me again. I don't mind repeating it. So we have done that with one variable and with two variables. Is it very clear till here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Try doing this solved example at home. Okay. Now I'm moving towards the second solved example. This is about age. Okay. Now Asha is 5 years older than Robert. So let Asha be X. Let Robert be Y. Okay. Now Asha is 5 years older. Can I say X is equal to Y plus 5? Because
Yes,
Asha
ma'am.
is 5 years older than Robert. Robert is Y. So Y plus 5. Yes. Now to put it in the proper format, what do I do? I take this Y on the other side. So it becomes X minus Y is equal to 5. Do you agree? Have you understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
साफिया बरीरा
Yes,
यहाँ
yes,
तक
ma'am.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
शारिया clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what do they say in the second line? 5 years ago, Asha was twice as old as Robert was then. 5 years ago. Now, when they're talking about 5 years ago, that means they're talking about x minus 5 and they're talking about y minus 5. Yes or no? Because Asha is presently
Yes, ma'am.
x. So 5 years ago, Asha is going to be x minus 5. Robert is presently y. So 5 years ago, Robert is also going to be y minus 5. Correct? But now what is the condition? 5 years ago, Asha was twice. Asha was twice Robert. That means you have to write Asha's age. Asha's age 5 years ago was x minus 5. Twice. That means 2 times Robert's age. Robert's age 5 years ago was y minus 5. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I further simplify this, what am I going to get? I'm going to get x minus 5 is equal to 2y minus 10. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what do? I take number on one side and I take alphabets on one side. So x minus 2y is going to be equal to minus 10 plus 5. So I'm going to get x minus 2y is equal to minus 5. Do you understand how I get this part?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yeah.
This is how we land here. So we've got our second equation. Okay. Now you can see I have my first equation and I have my second equation. X is already targeted. Can you see this? It is same. Yes or no? Now tell me, signs are same or different? Both the equations, signs are same or different?
Different.
Same sign, no beta? X का sign देखो दोनों में.
Yeah, but for the 5, we have different signs.
We are targeting what? X. So if we are targeting X, we will look at whose signs? Only X signs. Okay. Now what do we have? Same signs. So when we have same signs, what do we do, beta? Subtract.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay. So I'm going to write X minus 2y is equal to minus 5. Okay. And I have to subtract X minus y is equal to 5. Am I right? Now when I have to subtract, what do I do? Change the sign. I write a minus sign here. I write a minus sign here. And I write a minus sign here. Am I correct? X part is going to get cancelled because plus X minus X is going to become 0. Now you can see minus Y. What is it going to become? Tell me. This minus and this minus is going to become plus. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to use minus and plus now. Minus and plus, what does it become? Minus. Minus. That means I have to do 2y minus y. What do I get? Y?
Y. 1y. Yeah, y.
Y. And sign is going to be? Minus?
Minus.
Okay. Now here you can see I have minus 5 and minus 5. What is that going to become? Minus is going to become plus.
Plus.
Sign of the greater number. So we are going to have minus 10 here. Am I correct? Minus signs on both the sides is going to get cancelled. So the value of y is going to be 10. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher,
Now
I didn't get how you got 10.
How I got 10? Minus 5. What am I going to get? Minus 5 and minus 5.
But you have to subtract, no, teacher. But you
Subtract,
added.
but sign beta. Minus and minus sign. What will you do?
Plus.
Plus. So we are going to plus. So we are going to get minus 10. Minus 5 is going to be minus 10. So you're going to cut the signs and your value for y is going to be 10. Now, once you get the value of y as 10, you're going to put this in any equation and get the value for x. Like supposing if I put it in this equation, okay, what do I get? X is equal to, what is value of y? 10, 10 plus 5. So x is going to be 15. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See here, they have
Yes,
not
ma'am.
solved the equations 1 and 2 for you. I have solved it for you. They have only written in the textbook solving 1 and 2. We get y as 10 and x as 15. and then they have written the answer. So when you are doing solved examples also, if you don't know how to do, you are going to be in a problem. And that is the reason why I'm doing solved examples also for you. Yes? Is it clear
Yes.
till here?
Yes.
Okay. So for homework, you are going to repeat doing the sums that I did for you today. And I will do more solved examples in the next class. And I will also do the exercise sums for you, so that we don't make any mistake in the word problems. Is it very clear? Today's lecture, is it clear for all?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Yes,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am.
Teacher, did you correct
Yes.
did you see the homework I did? I posted on the GC.
1 moment, I'll just check. Good. Very good, beta. And you've done it perfectly correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this is how it has to be, beta. You've written it also well. Good, beta. Good.
Okay, teacher.
Keep it up. Bye. Have a nice day.